Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to renovate your bathroom or just love staying on top of the latest design trends, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 30 bathroom trends that will dominate 2025. Let's get into it. Trend 1. Smart Bathroom Revolution. First up, we have smart bathrooms. The future of bathrooms is high-tech. From heated mirrors that fog-proof themselves to voice-activated showers and faucets, 2025 will be all about convenience and innovation in your bathroom. Trend 2. Eco-chic, sustainable materials. Next, sustainable materials. Eco-friendly design isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Think recycled tiles, bamboo vanities, and water-saving fixtures. You'll be saving the planet while making your space look amazing. Trend 3. Bold and beautiful colors. Vibrant colors. If you thought neutral tones were here to stay, think again. Bold, vibrant colors like teal, mustard yellow, and even deep purple are making a splash in bathrooms this year. So, don't be afraid to add a pop of color. Trend 4. Freestanding tub luxury. Freestanding bathtubs. These luxurious, statement-making tubs are here to stay. Whether modern or vintage-inspired, they create a stunning focal point and elevate the entire aesthetic of your bathroom. Trend 5. The minimalist bathroom. Minimalist design. Less is more in 2025. Streamlined vanities, sleek fixtures, and uncluttered countertops make your bathroom feel open and calm. Trend 6. Floating vanity trend. Floating vanities. Not only does this create a modern, airy vibe, but it also makes your bathroom look bigger by giving the illusion of more floor space. Trend 7. Big tiles, big impact. Large format tiles. For an ultra-modern feel, large tiles create a seamless, clean look, especially in showers or as a feature wall. Say goodbye to grout lines. Trend 8. Dynamic smart lighting. Smart lighting. Dynamic lighting systems that change color based on your mood or activity are becoming increasingly popular. You can set the perfect ambience at the touch of a button. Trend 9. Textured wall wonders. Textured walls. Forget flat, boring walls. Textured tiles or wallpapers are making waves this year, adding depth and character to your space. Trend 10. Ultimate shower systems. High-end shower systems. Rainfall showerheads, multi-spray panels, and customizable temperature controls will make your daily routine feel like a spa retreat. Trend 11. Natural light, natural luxury. Natural light. Nothing beats natural light in a bathroom. Skylights, larger windows, and even open, airy spaces will be essential to create a bright, inviting atmosphere. Trend 12. Timeless hardware, brass and black. Brushed brass and matte black fixtures. For those looking for a little elegance, matte black and brushed brass finishes are stealing the show in 2025 bathroom hardware. Trend 13. Wellness in your bathroom. Wellness features. Think built-in sound systems, aromatherapy diffusers, and heated floors for the ultimate self-care experience. Trend 14. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Statement mirrors. From oversized mirrors to funky geometric shapes, mirrors are not just functional anymore. They're becoming key design pieces. Trend 15. Bold and beautiful wallpaper. Bold wallpaper. Wallpaper is back, and it's bolder than ever. Think florals, geometric patterns, or even nature-inspired prints to add life to your bathroom. Trend 16. Double the sinks, double the style. Dual vanity sinks. For couples or those who want more space, double vanities are a must-have. Not only do they offer functionality, but they also look sleek and modern. Trend 17 Retro Bathroom Revival. Retro designs. Get ready for vintage vibes. Retro tiles, curved sinks, and even classic bathroom fixtures are coming back in full force. Trend 18, Spa-inspired showers. Spa-like showers. With multi-sensory experiences, such as rainfall showers, steam rooms, and custom lighting, the shower is becoming the new sanctuary in the home. Trend 19, Tech-integrated bathrooms. Integrated technology. You'll see everything from digital faucets to showers that adjust temperature at a touch, making your bathroom both high-tech and high-style. Trend 20, Concrete accents for a cool look. Concrete accents. Exposed concrete elements are making their way into modern bathrooms. They give a cool, industrial touch that complements sleek, minimal designs. Trend 21 Open shelving appeal. Open shelving. Goodbye to closed cabinets. Open shelving is all about showcasing your stylish towels, plants, and decorative pieces. Trend 22, Walk-in shower luxury. Walk-in showers. No more shower curtains. Walk-in showers with frameless glass enclosures are not only practical but add a luxurious feel. Trend 23, Water-conserving toilets. Eco-friendly toilets. With water conservation in mind, we'll be seeing more low-flow toilets, touchless models, and toilets that use less water but still pack a punch. Trend 24, Towel warmers for the win. Luxurious towel warmers. A cozy towel after a hot shower, yes, please. Towel warmers are going to be the ultimate bathroom indulgence in 2025. Trend 25, Minimalist storage solutions. Minimalistic storage. For a clutter-free look, sleek and hidden storage solutions like recessed shelving or hidden compartments will dominate. Trend 26, Elegant gold accents. Gold accents. Subtle gold accents in your faucets, mirrors, and even light fixtures will continue to shine in 2025 bathrooms, adding elegance and warmth. Trend 27, High-tech toilets. High-tech toilets. With heated seats, automatic lids, and bidet functions, high-tech toilets are becoming a must-have in luxury bathrooms. Trend 28, Stone surfaces for sophistication. Stone elements. Natural stone surfaces like marble and granite are becoming even more popular, offering an elegant and timeless aesthetic. Trend 29, Floating ledges for style and storage. Floating ledges. For a modern touch, floating ledges are being used for storage and decoration, offering both functionality and style. Trend 30, Greenery, the bathroom's new best friend. Greenery and plants. Last but definitely not least, bringing plants into your bathroom will continue to be a trend. Plants add freshness, life, and a calming vibe. And that's a wrap. Those are the 30 bathroom trends that will dominate in 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more design trends. See you next time.